Good morning students. Today I am going to teach about reading maps of different kinds. This is the first chapter in 7th class social studies. Now we will learn what is a map, what is the difference between reading and studying. Map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features like cities, roads, etc. This is the definition of maps. Reading and studying difference. Reading involves pursuing through the text to understand the concepts. It may not be important to remember the things in reading. Studying involves researching and learning. It is important to understand the things and remember the things. The world we live is full of variety. You can see in your surroundings different kind of landforms. Example: hills, mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, deserts. Like that, different kinds of landforms you can see in your surroundings. In your atlas, you can see different kind of maps. You see here, climate of different continents in the world was shown in this map. In this map, climatic regions and natural vegetations in different continents were shown in this map. Soil and agriculture in different continents was shown in this map. Like that, you can see different kind of maps in atlas, because different kind of landforms are there throughout the world. That's why we can see different kind of landforms on the map. Some maps tell us how high or low the places are, how much rainfall it received, how hot or cold, what kind of vegetations were grown, what kind of people were living there, what kind of languages they were speaking. Such kind of information we can get by using some other maps. Symbols. Now we will study symbols which are using in the maps. Previous class, that is in 6th class, first chapter, you learn different symbols which are using in the maps. Map makers using the symbols to show the physical objects on a map. Already you know, PO indicates post office, PS indicates police station, RS indicates railway station, PTO indicates postal and telegraph office. Like that, these letters were used to show the police station, post office, railway station. To show these physical objects, this kind of symbols were used. Along with the symbols, to show the capital of a state, capital of a country, we use the point symbol. To show the rivers, map makers use the line symbol. To show the railway track, they will use the track symbol. To show the boundaries of a country or boundaries of a district or boundaries of a nation, different color lines are used to show. Thank you friends. Next class we'll study physical maps.